Help! Alright, welcome to Trying Harder. I'm Guido, and today we have this ginormous big old boy. This is an iRobot Roomba Max 705. What are we gonna do? We're gonna take this Roomba, we're gonna unbox it today. And then, gonna spend some time cleaning some floors with it, come back with a different video on the review. But first, I have to thank Best Buy and iRobot for giving me this product to review. So let's look over this giant box real quick. Good old Roomba. Contents are gonna be what you expect. There's a robot, there's a dock, and then the typical extra replacement parts that come with a Roomba. Dirt bag, filters, brushes. So let's see what's really awesome about this brand new Roomba product. It's a combo robot plus auto wash dock. Right there. It's gonna have this awesome power spin roller mop plus perfect edge, which makes it kinda, can't really see right here, but extends out so that you can get mopped right to the edge of your cabinets or wall. It's also gonna have clear view pro LiDAR plus precision vision AI technology to help with all that navigation. We got a little bit more detail over here. So you'll see a closer look when we pull it out, but we got two rollers on the bottom. This model has two brushes on the side to sweep debris in, and then this roller mop that extends out one side. Running down this verbiage real quick, give you the cliff notes. It's got the typical Roomba extreme suction with two rubber anti-tangle brushes. The really cool thing is a self-cleaning power spin roller mop that leaves the floor spotless, supposedly, we'll see. The LiDAR is supposed to provide safe obstacle avoidance. Here we're talking about the extendable mop. That's pretty much it. This next one is the AI piece, where it tries to identify exactly what that obstacle is and adapts and learns as you own it. Another awesome thing that we're gonna see here, we got dust bin, a dirty water bin, and then the clean water bin for filling the mop up. The dirty water bin is gonna clean off that power spin roller mop brush, and it uses heat. So we're gonna really try and get that dang thing clean. It automatically refills and empties. And lastly, it covers the roller mop when it goes over carpet to keep your carpet dry. A lot of words here though, in different languages. That's the quick and dirty of it. Now, how do we get in this box? I'm gonna try this. I'll bring in my assistant here, Stoolie, to knock it down a level. Let's open this up. There we go. This thing's packed to the brim. I don't know what to grab first. This is easy to grab. Extra pieces. User's manual / safety guide. Some extra brushes, and the ones we actually probably need to use. Filter, power cord. Surprised there's no dirt bag. Probably already in there. And what's this? And they sent out a little sample of their mop cleaner. Stay clean. Some concentrate. We'll see. I was hoping for something a little more generic and not iRobot specific. Next up, this big bad boy. Let's see how bad it is. Heavy. This is a robot. Let's say hello to Max. Got some instructions on the first things to do with your robot. Pretty much the quick start, the Wi-Fi packing, find all the hidden packaging. Hello, Max. This thing feels way bigger than other Roombas. I don't know if it really is, but feels like it. Ooh, that looks elegant. That looks nice. That's a good looking Roomba. Holy cow. Here's your front camera, sensors, LiDAR, some of the garbage you gotta pull out. This top just looks sick. I think your little LiDAR's hidden under there. I think that's the LiDAR. Here's the back where you're gonna refill. Back comes off like typical Roombas. This is the tiny mop container. There you can get a view of that roller that's in there. Right now, it's covered by the plastic so that it doesn't get things wet when in use. Here's how it's gonna slide out just this side to get to your edges. Got some beefy tires on this. These should last for a little while. Got some huge grip on them. I'm surprised they didn't advertise that more. Here's your dual rollers. We'll attach these brushes later. This piece is interesting. It's just magnetically held, which is probably fine. And then now you have access to the dustbin. Yeah, dustbin, filter. This is way smaller than some of the prior dustbins I've seen, I think. Unless it just looks different since it's in a different form factor. And here's the inside. Pretty exciting. I think this is the last piece. It's all about the base. This thing's actually lighter than the vacuum. Crazy. Ooh, that's pretty. I like how they try and make this not be an eyesore in your house. So obviously vacuum goes in here, got cord management, handle on the back. And this is gonna be hard to see. The access is all from the top, it looks like. We'll try it back here. So you get a nice little utility brush for cleaning. Looks like maybe a little thing to cut hair if it gets actually on there. Extra dirt bags, dirt bag here. Here's your dirty water bin. Here's your cleaner water bin. And that's it. That's what's in the box. Whew, that was a lot of work. Now I'm gonna go off, check this out, and see how it does. I'm pretty excited about it. I think this is one of the better robot vacuum mop combos that I've seen, because I want that roller and the heat. I think that's really gonna be key. Then maybe you just never have to do anything. You just say, go robot, go. Because so often these other robots that I've had with just a glorified wet rag are awful. They don't do shit. They don't do anything. But thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit me up in the comments with what you want to know about this awesome new product from iRobot. I don't have any hardwood floors. I got tile and carpet, so that's what this is gonna run on. And this one is obviously on me. I've reviewed iRobot's in the past, and yeah, it took a little while to get the review video out, like a couple of years. So I'm not gonna do that this time. I'm gonna knock this out, and like doing the other review video, I'm going to trying harder.